Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today, got a good one for you. Getting ready to bleed my brakes, and I thought I'd make a quick video on freeing up the bleeder screw. I've seen a lot of guys get all happy and break them quick. I already got the other three done on the truck. And this one here gave me a little trouble. So basically, first thing I did was I soaked it down, which I don't really think does anything, but I did it anyway. Then I cleaned around it with the wire brush, and you know, just try to clean around it, do the best you can. I'll do it again to show you what I'm talking about. Just get in there and clean it. I'm gonna put down on the camera. Now, one thing we're gonna use some heat on that. You don't want to force it. If you force it, you're gonna break it, and then you're gonna end up buying a new caliper. And these are actually new calipers. I'm surprised this isn't coming out, because I've bled the brakes on this truck quite a few times. Yeah, it's for some reason I can't seem to get the brakes the way I want them, so I just keep bleeding it. But yeah, I haven't done it in a little while, probably like 6 months, and this one froze up. So first thing you want to do is you want to look at this rubber line and go, man, if I put heat on here, I might hurt this rubber line. What'll happen is if you don't put some sort of a barrier in here, this line will just blow up. It'll just pop right off of there. So I found a piece of metal just laying around. I'm gonna figure out where to put it here. Maybe something like that. And I'm gonna probably do it like that. And I'm gonna bring the heat this way, not towards the metal, away from the metal. And you could use a little torch like this if you want, but this torch doesn't really put out much heat. And you could use a torch like this, and that's what I'm going to use. This should do it. I mean, the best torch obviously is a acetylene oxygen set, but most people don't have that, so we're gonna attempt to do it like this. You can get hotter gas. It's going to be hard to do the video like this, but I can do it. I'm just going to sit and heat it for a little bit. As you can see, the heat is going away from the rubber line. You don't want the heat going that way. And I can feel the heat on my arm, so I know the heat's coming my way. And if it's a windy day, you don't want the wind blowing into that rubber line either. Don't worry about heating it too much. I've had these things red hot before, and I'm sure it might do some damage to the caliper, but I haven't really noticed anything. I mean, if you got to do it, you got to do it, because if you break the bleeder screw, you're going to the store and you're going to buy the whole setup. So I won't be able to get this red hot with this torch because it's not hot enough, but the acetylene oxygen torch I can get red hot no problem. Takes a little bit longer to get this the way you want it, but we're going to go ahead and see if it works right now. I'm going to leave the torch burning. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not even going to put any oil on it. It's a 1/4 inch on, or no, 8mm on this. Oh, look at that. Nice. Just the right amount of heat. So there we go. We broke it. And it's just gravity bleeding right now. It's not hurting it to have a little fluid come out. My friend's going to come over tomorrow, and he's going to help me. He's going to do the pumping on the brakes, and I'm going to do all the bleeder screws, and hopefully we can get the brakes the way I like them. Nice and firm, not spongy. So it's a little 101 for you on that. I'm going to put a little lube on here just for overnight. I'm sure this is hot, but not. Nope, it's not even hot. And if it was, I wouldn't be able to touch it with my rubber gloves. That's for sure. Yeah, it's not even hot. So yeah, get yourself a shield and cover that brake line, because you will pop it. I've done it once. I learned my lesson. That was back in the day. You know, you gotta start somewhere. But yeah, I hope you like the content. Hope you like the video. This is for anyone who wants to do a little something at home. Got a little spongy brake. Gonna do a little bleeding, but you got to get the bleeder screw broke free first. Once you do that, you're home free. So anyway, hope you like the video. Hope you like and subscribe, maybe share, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Have a good night.